Hey everybody, it's been a long time since I made any videos for iVue or pushed any updates of any significance, but thought I'd like to show you this one. A lot of people have been working behind this. I'm not going to mention names because I'll just forget someone and then they'll get upset with me, so we'll get started, shall we? First of all, usual procedure, let's get iVue installed. This is a fresh Confluent skin version 16.1 of Kodi. So let's add iVue to it first. So we want http://ivuetvguide.com/install. Okay, let's give that a name, iVue repo, iVue repository, iVue repo will do. Okay, we're done at that point. Let's go and install it. So we need to go to System, and Settings, and Add-ons, install from zip, choose the iVue repo that we just added. Same install procedure as always, choose the repository and wait for it to install. Should get a notification down here once it's done. There we go. Excuse the computer, it's on its last legs. Okay, so now we need to install from repository the iVue TV Guide repo, and we need to go to Program Add-ons to start off with. And we'll install the TV Guide. You'll notice here it's 007. I'm about to push 008, but in fact I'll do that on here in a second. We'll put the iVue wizard in. iVue skins, why not? And very important, we put in the extended info script as well. That's quite a big installer, this one, so it does take a while. Generally it will download and then it'll sit on 6% of installation until it's finished. But just let it run. It'll look like it's not installing, but just leave it and it will install. Okay, whilst it's doing that, I'm just going to go and update iVue to 008. There we go. Come on. Most of you will have these add-ons that it's installing already. This is because this is a fresh install. So it's adding everything it needs. So we'll just sit back and wait at this point. Like I say, this is generally where it gets sits at 6%. And we can do nothing except just be patient. And with luck, it will just pass that and carry on installing. The slower your device, the longer it's going to take. There we go. It does take a while, guys, so just be patient with it. Okay, let's see, have we got anything in here we need? No, not for now. Okay, good. Right, so that's everything installed that we're going to be using. You'll need things like Specto, Exodus, Salts, anything for playing movies and TV shows, basically. So I will add that as well. I've already got a zip file of Specto. We'll just throw that in for now. Oop. No, it needs his repository. Great. Okay. Right, I'll do that in a moment. Okay, let's just do that manually. Right, so I'm just going to restart this to bring Specto online. Like I say, you should already have that, and this tutorial isn't how to install those kind of add-ons. Let's bring that back into place. Okay. No, Specto's still giving me problems there. Okay, sorry about that. I had to quickly get Specto organized. Alright, so I've got installed now everything from the iVue repo and Specto, and the extended info would have installed super favorites and a few other things as well, everything that we need. So let's go and configure these up a little. Start off with extended info script. I'm just going to change the settings on this because we'll just do it for movies for now, it's fine. I'm going to change this to Specto. Yeah, that'll be fine for now. Okay. And the same for the TV guide. I like this to be on daily or 48 hours. Daily is probably sufficient. Right, we don't need to touch anything else in there. We need to put in our iVue username and password. Okay, this username and password will not be active after the video, of course. You can request one from the quickest way is from going to facebook.com iVue TV guide and just message the page and just ask politely for a username and password, and we'll get to you as soon as we can. Okay, that's the iVue settings done. Right, so if we open this now, ooh, nice. Why has that password not worked? Apologies, it would help if I'd have activated the password for myself first, wouldn't it? Alright, let's try that again, shall we? That's better. You just love doing these things live with no planning. Okay, we're all familiar with the interface for iVue. We've returned with the old iVue skin. It's just a favourite of everybody, so if it ain't broke, let's not fix it. Right, this is first run of iVue, so what I'm going to do is exit out. And we'll just give it a couple of seconds to close the threads, and then we'll go back in. Okay, there we go. At this point, of course, you can choose your channel, and it will open up with the add-ons that you've got synced up. Today, this video is to show you a bit more functionality of the movies system. So if we click on movies here, we'll just run those through, close those. It gives us some options. I already set it for Specto before, so in theory we choose one of these. and it's just lovely, absolutely lovely. Whoever did the coding on this add-on for extended info did a great job. We choose to add or play, and then off it goes. It will go and try and find it for us. Inspecto, Exodus, Salts, whatever you configure it with. I didn't have much luck at the moment making it work with Exodus, but Specto seems to be working fine. We choose one to watch and it will play. Same thing goes for TV shows. The TV shows, I've got this configured to add to the library, so then you can just pick and choose from your own library, but you can see it's listing all those nicely. Okay, for those that don't use mouse control, obviously using the context menu button, C or menu or the three lines button on your remote control, pressing that brings up this screen where you can access access film on YouTube, ITV player, the BBC player, your super favourite links, movies and TV, as I've just shown you there as well. That's basically the additions and how to install and use it. We do need to finish a write-up on the web page. If anyone wants to get involved in that, just come see us on the group and give us a hand. That's no problem. Like I say, thanks to everybody that's been involved with this. There's a few good groups out there that have been helping, and it's all gone pretty well. Hope you enjoy it. Leave us some feedback with how it's going. If anything needs to be removed, if people don't want anything in our repos of this type, not a problem. Just let us know, and we'll be happy just to take it out of there. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Bye.